Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2012 Jeep Liberty and I will show you which fuse and relay to check in case your Jeep is not starting and you believe you have problems with the starter. This video will apply to Jeep Liberties made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery, right here, easy accessible. Now to lift the cover you will have two black tabs, one here, one here. You want to press each of the tabs and lift up. And here you have access to all of the fuses and the relays. On the back side of the cover you have a small fuse diagram. And right here, this yellow piece, this is a small fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the smaller fuses. Starter fuse, it's a fuse number J17, which is a 40M fuse located in the upper left corner. And the starter relay is relay number K3, which is located right here. Now the best way to test the relay is using the multimeter, or you can also try to replace it with any of the same kind and see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and replace it. If both the fuse and the relay are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper, start by testing the starter itself and inspect all the wiring towards the starter. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.